Hello, welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Tisha's Home Cooking, and again, as always, let me say thank you very much for joining me. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please click on the notification button, and also subscribe so that you get my next video when I make it. Welcome if this is your first time joining us. This is a cooking channel where we learn to cook very simple dishes. So I have to say your comments have been very amazing, and I've been thrilled to read your comments. And someone actually said to me, thank you so much, you saved my family, I'm going to try your recipe. So let me say, go on, try, let me know how it goes. If you haven't already tried, please try your hands on it. Now let's start cooking. What are we going to cook today? I am going to show you how I make my simple spicy grilled chicken. This is all we're going to be doing today. It's very simple. Look at this beautiful chicken here. So we're going to be grilling this chicken, and we're going to be seasoning it up and making it spicy. So I've got my medium-sized chicken, and here I've told you I love garlic and ginger. So I've got some blended garlic and ginger here. I've also got grounded paprika here. I've also got some turmeric here, and I've also got some chicken seasoning, and also I've got some fresh coriander which I'm going to chop up. Then I've got some light soy sauce, and I've got my lovely mixed herbs, and I have got some black pepper, and I've also got some olive oil. Okay, so first off, what I'm going to do is I've actually cleaned this chicken up, so it's looking quite nice, and I've cut off all the fat bits and then throw them away. I'm going to split it up because I like to split the chicken when I'm grilling it, so it's easy and it cooks very well. Okay. Right, so if you get a knife, a sharp knife, and then you can split it like that. Okay, I'm going to be removing the excess fat. Okay, so that's it, as you can see. Right, I put the chicken to the side, and I've got my bowl here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this blended garlic and ginger as a third teaspoon, and that's almost 4 and a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to add some paprika. So it depends how spicy you want your chicken. So if you want it mild, then obviously don't put in too much paprika, which is pepper. If you want it, you know, kind of medium, then you put, you know, how much paprika you want. If you want it very hot, then obviously you put in a bit more. Right, I'm not going to put too much, otherwise the kids will not be able to kind of eat. It will be too spicy for them. Then I'm going to take like half teaspoon of the turmeric. Then I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of the chicken stock. And just so you know, you don't need to put any extra salt in this because the chicken stock has got salt already. All right, and then I've got the light soy sauce, so kind of like 1 teaspoon should be fine, because that has also got salt, so just be careful. I've got my mixed herbs. I'm going to I kind of like put some mixed herbs in there. Okay, I've measured about 1 teaspoon. Some crushed garlic, I'm going to do that. Crushed garlic. Don't forget, we've already put in paprika. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is to chop up my fresh coriander. That gives it very nice aroma. Okay, so you can crush this or you can chop it up nicely. And the chicken is waiting patiently. Okay, I'm going to throw this in there as well. Yeah, I think I'll see. Okay. I'm then going to add some olive oil. So I've got virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon and a half, maybe. Okay. So you can see the mixture. Okay, I'm just going to taste this to see if it's the kind of if it's spicy enough. Yeah, it is spicy. What I'm going to do, add a little bit of olive oil. Don't add too much though, but I think this will do. So just like I said earlier on, if you want it a bit more spicy, then obviously add some more paprika. I'm just going to add a little bit to it. And this should be about medium, not extra hot. Okay. So what's going to happen now is, now I'm going to season the whole chicken. Now, because you put paprika in there, you have to be careful with your fingers. So you can either use a brush, okay, like that, and then you can then rub it in your chicken, or you can use glove like that, cooking glove, rubber glove. So I'm going to use glove because I don't want my fingers, you know, burning afterwards. Okay, so use the glove like that, and now you're going to then put it all over the chicken. Okay. I've started from the inside, and then you see here, just pushing it in there as well. Okay. So on the other side where you haven't actually got a split, I'm just gonna split it. Because you want the breast soaked with the seasoning. Make sure the seasoning goes everywhere. I don't want to leave anything out. Okay. That's all the seasoning gone in everywhere. Look at that. Okay. Right. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to now put the seasoned chicken in the fridge for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, to make sure that everything is soaked in very well. So when you're eating your chicken, you can taste it, you can taste the flavor, and you can enjoy it. So I'll put it here on my baking tray, and I'm going to cover it with foil. Okay, so I'm leaving it the back, leaving it like this so that everything soaks in very well. Okay, so I've got my foil. I will be covering it with foil, and I will put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So you can do it from between 20 to 30 minutes. That should be enough time for the seasoning to soak in very well. There it is. Okay, so I'll see you in 30 minutes time when we get it out from the fridge. Okay, so guys, the chicken has been in the fridge for 30 minutes now, so it should be okay to go in the grill. Whilst the chicken has been in the fridge, I've turned my grill on, so it depends what type of grill you're using, whether you're using electric or gas. I am using electric grill, so I've turned mine on to 180 degrees. So it all depends which one you're using. If you're using gas, and mine is a fan assisted, so it kind of heats up quickly. So the chicken is ready to go in. Okay, and it's hot already, so I'm just going to put it in the middle and then keep an eye on it whilst it grills. So we shall come back and have a look at our chicken. Okay, so I've come to check the chicken. As you can see, I'm just going to turn it over. I've also got some oil here. I'm going to just brush it with a bit of oil so that it's not so dry. Okay, so now when turning it, you have to be very careful because the chicken might be very hot. Okay. And then we brush the back as well before we put it inside. Inside, cook it another few minutes. Okay, so this is the chicken that I have just taken out from the grill, and look at how beautiful this chicken is looking. Okay, so yeah, look at the beauty of that, with all the seasoning and everything well intact. And I tell you, this is how I check my chickens. I just use a toothpick and pierce the breast side to make sure that it's not too dry and it's not too wet. So that's just right. Look at how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. Let me turn it one more time, and then you can see the back. Look at that. Okay. Beautiful. Okay guys, so that's the spicy grilled chicken, and I've got some coleslaw here that I made earlier on, and you can add chips with it and some salad. Look how beautiful it is, and so juicy. Very beautiful and juicy. Okay, and this is so simple and easy to make. So cheers guys.